Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning for lecturer. So we are from the group 1, which is we are to present our project. The title is about FM receiver. So our group is recording about 5 members, which is the first name Muhammad Syafi bin Syukur, and the second is me, Muhammad Ahmad Hazar bin Hisham, and the third Don Syamira binti Zulkifli, Nur Syahdatul Amira binti Abdullah, and last Farah Amila binti Abdul Razak. So so the next we proceed to our presentation with my friends.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syamira binti Zulkifli. My matric number is AE15006. I will be explain about the task done by each group member. For the project, the task handled by me about this project background. For the project background, I make a research for FM modulation so that I can understand and can explain more detail for the project. After that, I am start with searching the main objective about this project. We know that frequency modulation is widely used for FM radio broadcasting. So after make some research, I can easily know about how can theoretical knowledge can be applied to the practical design of receiver. Besides that, I also help from lecturer and senior, so I could help more. I could help more understand about this project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Syahdatul Amira binti Abdullah. I'm as the secretary of the project. The progress of part 1 already impressed that our project has gone through 50%. So we will proceed to progress report 2. To make sure that the project being successful, I have been responsible to make sure all of us have the same objective to achieve our goal and no miscommunication between us. As the objective being stated, all of us basically know we are working on FM receiver. The circuit layout will be converted on PCB for being test and to ensure the operational procedure runs smoothly either on Proteus or on PCB. So next I will pass to my friend to elaborate more on our task done by all members. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farah Amila binti Abdul Razak, AE150021. Okay, I take part in pillar table. For the pillar table, we found that some problem which is we cannot stimulate the circuit that we choose. So I write all the problem that happen in the form of pillar table in order to find the solution. After that, we know the problem is from our mistake, so that we make our group member learn and have more understanding about this project. As a conclusion, this group show that teamwork skill are very strong, which is help each other even at all group members are given their own task. Okay, next I will pass to my friends.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm the chairman of the group, this group, and my name is Muhammad Syafi bin Syukur, and my metric numbers is DE150012. Okay, for my part is block diagram and circuit. So I will explain about the block diagram first. Okay, from the block diagram that we use from circuit, actually we need to know how the flow for the circuit that we had learned. From there, we can define where is the problem from the circuit at the block diagram. It is easier to define a flow and problem from block diagram than circuit. It is started from input. Started from the input, which is antenna, and then RF amplifier and oscillator to the mixer, IF section amplifier, FM regulator, and AF amplifier and to the output as a speaker. Okay, for the second it is circuit. Here is a simple circuit FM receiver with minimum component for the local FM reception with two transistors which is we use BF494 as a transistor 1 and transistor 2. It is operated to modulate signal from the spectrum band. Okay, secondly, we use a variable capacitor which is a VC1. The unit, the amount of this one is 22 picofarad, and we use L as an inductor. Actually, there is an oscillator that controlled by user. So for the we use a 3 capacitor is C2. We use 0.22 microfarad, C3 0.1 microfarad, and C4 220 microfarad. So actually we use a variable resistor 10K, and C2 is a blocking capacitor demolition to demulate to amplifier, and for C3 and C4 is a bypass capacitor. Is a demolition is to remove from the output signal. We use OM amplifier is the unit the fixed amplifier is LN3AC which is to amplify audio to the output. So that's all from me. So I pass to my friend to present about them.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, my name is Muhammad Amal Hazam bin Hisham, and my matrix number is DE150024 150024. Okay, I will proceed to the conclusion, which conclusion in the part 1, which is in conclusion, we at this project we face a little problem, which is we cannot stimulate the circuit that we choose. So that we decide to understand and troubleshoot what is the problem of the circuit that we choose it. Finally, we can conclude that maybe the circuit must be fixed to the certain parts, and we must apply to the theoretical knowledge to the practical design of FM receiver to solve the problem. In the part of doing this project, we know that the suitable circuit layout of the FM receiver, and also know how to convert circuit layout to PCB. Okay, that's all in part 1. Thank you. So, at the end of progress report in part 1, so we proceed to the progress report in part 2, which is now we can see that this is a block diagram of our circuit, which is first we use the antenna, and later RF section amplifier, which mixer, local oscillator, and each section amplifier, speaker, EM modulation, and AF amplifier. Okay, I will explain a little bit around about each part of this block diagram. Okay, first I will explain about the antenna. Okay, antenna is the focus is about to radiate energy as a section, as a electron. Okay, now we need to proceed to the RF section amplifier. Okay, the function of RF section amplifier, which is the filter remove the unwanted frequency, which is that all the unwanted frequency will be removed in the section amplifier. Okay, next is the local oscillator. Okay, local oscillator, which is to convert, which is function as a converter and reduce the space, cost, and power consumption. Okay, next is the mixer. Mixer is also about to find some signal and improve the performance. Which is Mister, it's more about all the signal which is to improve the performance of the signal. Okay, next. Now we go to the if section amplifier. Okay, if section amplifier. First, the function as a filter and to enable frequency at demodulation. The function first is filter and enable frequency at demodulation, which is to recover the information, contact from the modulated carrier wave. Okay. Now proceed the FM demodulation. Okay, the function of FM demodulation, which is change the signal to the audio or signal. Which is the focus is more to change the signal to the function signal and audio. And now proceed the AF amplifier. The last part of AF amplifier is about to amplify audio signal to speaker, so that all the things which is FM receiver. So all the signal will go to the AF amplifier. That the focusing is about to amplify the audio signal to a speaker. So now this is the output is maybe in there is a speaker. Okay, so the output of the amplifier to amplify and give to the speaker, and speaker will produce the output, which is the more amplify the maybe the sounds. Alright, okay, thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, ni for the circle, this is a circle from group. Okay, I will explain from the each part from the circle. Okay, firstly, this is antenna that we use. This is a variable capacitor, inductor, N2 transistor is Q1 and Q2. Capacitor, we use a 3 capacitor, C2, C4 and C3. So the amp which is LM386, this is amp, and speaker and input as which is a battery 4.5 volt. Okay, I will explain the part which is represent from the block diagram. So there is a VC variable capacitor and inductor. This is a controlled by user, which is control by user. That means is we tune to find the frequency from the antenna. Okay. And two transistor. This is a transistor which is two modulated signal from the spectrum band. And from the amount range from the BLS and EHF. Okay, from the C2 and variable capacitor, this is part of coupling capacitor demodulation. Okay, and for C4 and C3 is a coupling capacitor which is a bypass capacitor. The main bypass capacitor is remove noise from the output signal. So this is in a block diagram, which is this is IF amplifier. They remove the noise from the signal and into the speaker. So that's all from me for the circuit explanation. I will pass to my friend to present.
I will explain about the current condition, progress of the final product. FM receiver that is capable of receiving signal at FM radio frequency band. Currently, in our project, we had list out all the procedure on the design circuit. Then we had learned about theories required in design the circuit and trying to solve the problem. After that, we are design the circuit that is used to receive frequency signal and recover into using demodulation.
develop a procedure to design a circuit that required to solve the problem. We are design and simulate the circuit using a Proteus software, but we had some error when we are trying to do a simulation. Then we are trying to fix the problem, which is we are discuss and get any idea from members. After the simulation can run without any error, we are learn the circuit that we are designed into a PCB with watching the online and tutorial at YouTube and guidance from lecturer in simulation. That's all from us. Thank you, and we will continue.
The difficulty, problem and challenge. Okay, for the difficulty, the project that we did as a group actually is hard because we are not. Okay, for the difficulties, the project that we did as a group is actually hard to find the suitable that can implement to a principle. So we try to find a suitable circuit that we can understand more easily, even just a basic circuit, but we know the function and how the FM receiver is operating. Okay, for the problem, the main problem is the circuit is not run and can give the output. So we try to define what is the problem and how to troubleshoot the circuit. Therefore, some noise appear, but before we try on the hardware, we did it on the software Proteus 7. Okay, for the challenge, the detail report from started to final is to be challenged because it is more difficult. It also gives you a task to all members and give the explanation about this project. The task is given to create the circuit using PCB, so it is one of the challenge for this project. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so that's all for me and our group about our presentation. And we apologize for our mistaken about around the presentation. And lastly, we hope you are doing well and thank you so much. Okay.